Hi, this is Daniel from V500 Systems. Today we're going to look at reports, how to extract the report, how to extract the information, and so on. So this is related to the previous videos about extracting information from multiple documents. So if we go to history, we can see all the information here. So let's look at the last report. And we have the Q3 reports from Tauron. So let's look at some of them. You can quickly go back to them and look at the information, the questions, what information it extracted, and still you can click on the page, show highlight, and go back to and see the information that it picked up. Yeah. So again here. However, let's go back to history again. And so if you download the batch, you will see the Excel report. Let me show you that, how it looks like. So we have the questions, all the questions that you've been asked, and all the names of the files. So it's the one from 23, 16, and 17. And you have that presented in that format. So and very quickly you can actually cross-check the information across the documents, all is in one place. If you were extracting information from 10 documents, you would have 10 columns with the documents and so on and so on. So this is how it's done. And it's easy to to look for the information in the easy presentable format. Yeah, so and still you can go to each to each file, and I need to scroll up, and now this, and see the information that it extracted. Okay. I think that's it for today, and I will record some more videos about AI, how it can make your life much easier, save you time, improve accuracy, and make you more efficient. Yeah. Thank you very much for your time today. Bye bye for now.